everyone, welcome back to Homemade by Jenny. I'm going to show you a quick and easy fish sauce recipe that we use pretty much as a dipping sauce for a lot of our food. Here we go. First, we're going to start off with some sugar. Just going to pour in the sugar here. I'll give you the exact recipe and measurement if you just check out the description. So sugar. Just going to add in sugar. And next is white vinegar. Next, I'm going to add the hot water. Okay, I'm going to mix all that until the sugars dissolve first. Because I added in hot water, it makes the sugar dissolve a lot faster without having to wait too long. Okay, once the sugar has been dissolved, I will add in my just regular water. And now fish sauce. Okay, mix it up. And usually I give it a quick taste first to make sure that it's to my liking. Okay, I find it a tad sweet, so I'll just add a tad of vinegar and more fish sauce. Okay, and on that, you just need to add some garlic and chili if you like. And I also got some carrots, which I will be adding. Okay, and then the fish sauce, and I have some pretty sliced up carrots, which I will add to it. Make it look pretty and also pretty tasty as almost like a pickle. So there you go. There's my fish sauce. And there's also extra condiment that extra condiments that everyone can add too. For instance, we'll be adding probably a couple sliced chilies in here for those who like to eat spicy, and leave it out for the kids. Thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video.